Click the Import Items icon in TurboCloud's. Click the No button in TurboCloud's Admin Help screen. Click the Browse button in the Import Items screen. This will allow you to select your item import file. Double-click the import file. Click the Read Data button in the Import Items screen. This will add the column headers to the data mapping screen. If your item import file includes the data fields displayed in the mapping screen below, the data fields will be added to the mapping screen. While you can add missing data to the item import spreadsheet, it's usually easier to add it to the item import file before reading the data. The only data fields that are required to be mapped are the UPC description and job phase data fields. Select the drop-down for UPC in TurboCloud data. Select the UPC number for the TurboCloud data. Select the drop-down for description in TurboCloud data. Select description for the TurboCloud data. Select None in TurboCloud data. Click the Read Data button in the mapping screen. This will transfer the data from your import file to the item import spreadsheet. Red bordered checkboxes indicate that required data is missing. The missing data will also have a red border. The manufacturer and job phase fields will display predefined data based on the letters you type. Click Type to search. Select Rough. Click Type to search. Select Rough. Click Type to search. Select Trim. Click the checkbox. Click the Vendor drop-down in the Item Import spreadsheet. Select the vendor that provided the item import file. Click the Start Import button. This will add the items in the item import spreadsheet to your local database. Click the Yes button. Click the OK button. Expand the folder by clicking the plus symbol. You can drag and drop these items to the standard folder. The items will remain in the standard folder after a TurboCloud synchronization.